Hello, Aero Engineering team. Getting the camera set up here. Hope you can see what we got going on. Yeah, I tried a few things here. Put in some spark plugs I tested with that little homemade spark plug tester. Remember that one I emailed to you the other day? Made a homemade spark plug tester out of a bug zapper. So I've got some good plugs to put in there, and the engine still wouldn't work. And I took this little rotor thing. I figured it had too big a gap because we could get fire everywhere except between the rotor and these three pins here. So I hammered it and made it where it's a little closer to the pins, and I could rig up my spark plug tester to the wire and turn the crankshaft, and we get sparks going to each plug that way. But it still wasn't enough to make it run. What finally made it run, though, is when I swapped these two wires. The two wires that run the primary side of the coil. So this one goes here and this one goes here. They were the other way around, but when I swapped them like that, it ran. So let's see if we can duplicate that and get her to crank up again. Okay, I'm cutting on the gas, and I'll give it a squirt or two. And let's see, where'd my, I lost my little, here we go. Okay, I'll get ready. Oops. So there we go. You saw it run, didn't you? I was going to take that wire and stick it over to the fan so the fan would start blowing, make sure the water didn't get too hot. But I need to use a different wire next time. That wire has to stay going to the ignition system to keep it running.